Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel.
If you're new here, this is Fashion Farm, and on this channel we talk about ladies' fashion, sewing, design, and styling. In today's video, I'll be answering some common beginner sewing questions. If you're just starting your sewing journey, these answers will help you avoid mistakes and improve your skills faster. Let's get started. The first question is, what is the best sewing machine for beginners? For beginners, a simple sewing machine with basic stitches is enough. You don't need a very expensive machine. A basic straight stitch machine that can also do zigzag stitches will work perfectly when you're starting. The second question is, what fabric should beginners start sewing with? The best fabrics for beginners are cotton, angora, and linen. These fabrics are easy to cut, easy to sew, and they don't slip around too much. Try to avoid very slippery fabrics like satin or chiffon until you gain more experience. The third question is, why does my thread keep breaking while sewing? Thread can break for several reasons. It could be because the machine is threaded incorrectly, the needle is old or damaged, or the thread quality is poor. Always check your threading and change your needle regularly. The next question is, how can I sew straight lines? Sewing straight takes practice. Try to sew slowly and guide the fabric gently instead of pulling it. You can also use the guidelines on your sewing machine plate to help keep your seams straight. Another common question is, how do I choose the right needle for my fabric? Different fabrics require different needles. Light fabrics use thinner needles, while thicker fabrics, like denim, need stronger needles. Using the right needle helps prevent skipped stitches and fabric damage. The next question is, why are my stitches loose or messy? This usually happens because of incorrect thread tension or improper threading. Make sure your machine is threaded correctly and test your stitches on scrap fabric before sewing your actual project. Another question beginners ask is, how long does it take to learn sewing? Learning sewing is a process. Some people learn basic sewing in a few weeks, but becoming very skilled takes time and practice. The key is to practice regularly and keep learning new techniques. The last question is, what is the best way to improve sewing skills? The best way to improve is to practice often. Start with simple projects and learn from your mistakes. You can also watch tutorials, take notes, and try new sewing techniques step by step. Remember, every expert seamstress started as a beginner. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because that's how you learn and grow. Thank you for watching today's Q&A video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone learning sewing. You can also drop your sewing questions in the comments, and I may answer them in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.